Hello students, let us continue to study the chapter Statistics. Today we shall solve the problems given in exercise 14.2. So let us see which are the problems. The first problem, the blood groups of 30 students of class 8 are recorded as follows: A, 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 B, O, O, A, B, O, A, O, B, A, O, B, A, O, O, A, A, B, O, A, O, O, A, B, B, A, O, B, A, B, O. Represent this data in the form of a frequency distribution table. Which is the most common and which is the rarest blood group among these students? So in the first question, we need to prepare the frequency distribution table. So we need to prepare this thing. So let us prepare that first. So I made a table with two groups. One, there will be the blood group, and in the other we have the number of students. So now we will count the students who have blood group A. So we will just cancel them, like 1, then here we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we have 9 students having blood group A. Then we go to blood group B. So I will mark B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, and there is 6. So I have 6 students who have blood group B. Now we go to blood group O. Give some other color. Is yellow. So O, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So we have 12 students with blood group O. Write it with red only. Now we are left to find the students having blood group AB. So we'll just circle those. Start here, 1. Then we have 2, 3. So I need to write 3. Now we need to add the total number. So 9 plus 6, which will be 15. So 15 plus 2 will be 17. 17, 18, 19, 20. So 0 will remain here. And this will be carry 2. So 2 plus 1 will be 3. So correct. Because we had the total number also as we had recorded the data for 30 students. Now we have another question. We need to find the most common blood group. Now we have to see for most common who is having the most number of frequency. So here we can see that if we check O, it has a maximum frequency. That is, there are 12 students who have blood group O. So that will be the most frequent blood group. And which is the rarest? Rarest means the ones who do not have, who have the blood group very few students. So the frequency of the blood group having very few students is AB. So if we see AB, it has only 3 students having blood group AB. So the most common will be O and the rarest will be AB. Go to the next problem. Now here we are told to find the distance in kilometers of 40 engineers from their residence to their place of work were found, and the data is given. We are to construct a group frequency distribution table with class size 5. So there has to be, the class size has to be 5 for the given data above. Taking the first interval as 0 or 5. They've also mentioned what we should start with the interclass interval with. So it has to be 0 to 5. And here they have said 5 not included. So we have to only include this number and not this number. So whenever we are taking 0 to 5 and we are collecting data, this 5 will not come in this class interval. It will come in the next class interval. That it will come in the next interval. Next interval will be 5 plus 5, that is 10, because class size is given 5. So 5 to 10 we have to include 5 and not include 10. Now, what main features do you observe from this tabular representation? So let us solve this problem. So this is the given data which we will require to draw the table. So I have already prepared the table. Here I have the distances in kilometers, as they have told class size has to be 5. So they have told to start with 0 to 5. So I have written 0 to 5. Then next is 5 to 10. Then 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35. Now I have taken 35 because I have seen the highest number which is appearing is 32. So that's why I have written 35. Now we will start with counting the numbers which come, the distance which is between 0 to 5 kilometers. So I can't take 5. So I will take this 3. So this will be 1. Then 10 is bigger. And so in this class interval, then here there is another 1, 2. Then there is 3, 4, 5. Yes, we can write the frequency is 5 because only 5 times we have the distances from 0 to 4 kilometers. Now from 5 to 10. Now from 5 to 10 we have 5. So this will be 1. Then here we have 10. But should I consider 10? No, I shouldn't consider 10 because that is the upper limit. So till now we have only 1. Then this will be 2. This is 3. This will be 4. This will be 5. This is 6. Here we have 7. Then we have 8. Then we have 9. And we have 10. And we have 11. Now let us see the distances between 10 to 15. So now I have to consider 10 to 14. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So again I have frequency 11. Now I go to 15 to 20. So I need to consider only 15 to 19. So I can't consider 20. 15 to 19. So I consider this 1, 2, this is 3. Then we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So now I have 9. Now we have 20 to 25. So I have 20. So I strike off 20. So 1. Yes, I have only 1. So I will write 1. So I will write 1. Then 25 to 30 again I have. I'll just use a square so that it's different. Yeah. I have only 1 again. Then 30 to 35. So I have 2 numbers, that is I have 31 and I have 32. So it will be 2. So now on adding 5 plus 11 plus 11 plus 9 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2, I get the total as 40. And in the question we were given that there were 40 engineers. So we take the total so that we come to know if we have calculated the frequency correctly or not. Or we have missed somewhere. So this is a good means to come to know if you have done it correctly or not. So these were the 2 problems from exercise 14.3. We shall solve the other problems in the next class.